Are you coming seeing? You love puppies, don't you?
Who's that? Look. Oh, who's that? Look. Have a look.
I told you, it's scared of people.
It's okay. It's okay. What's that? Hiya. Who's that? Look. There. Well, say hello. Good stroker. Girl or boy? Boy. Oh, it should be boy. Restless. Stroke him. Oh. It's very little compared to...
I know he's smaller than Millie and Rupert, isn't he?
Yeah.
Do you want to put him on the floor?
Should we put him on the floor for a bit? Chase him. Yeah. Come on, Tiny.
He's a bit scared at first.
Yeah. Give him a treat.
Try to give him a treat.
Want to give him a treat?
Give him one.
Give him a treat.
It's weird how scared he is with people.
What's Cade? What's that? You got a little treat
Go
there.
a bit closer, Cade.
What's this?
Is that, have you poisoned this?
Oh.
I'll try it. Okay.
No, it's okay.
He needs to be more gentle.
Is he tiny?
It's alright, he's used to Rupert like, "Arr."
Oh, come on then. Come on then.
What's this?
You want to give? Oh, he's coming.
Did he run away?
Come on then. Did he run back? Oh, you've been scared. Come on then. Come on then. It's okay.
He's running away.
Sit hold. Should you put him on your knee? Sit there on the floor then. Put your hands out.
He's running away.
It's okay.
He's running away.
Yeah.
Maybe if he holds a treat as well.
Yeah.
We'll get a treat for him.
Hold a biscuit and might come.
See ya, Noodle. Oh, you don't throw it.
Oh, come on. You.
Hold it in your hand like this, Parker. Look, hold one in your hand like this and let him come and get it.
Winnie.
Noodle, come here. Do you want a little treat?
Hold it, Parker. Hold it in your hand. Say here, Noodle. Say here you go, mate. Got it.
Come on, stay here. What's that?
Oh. Cage stroke him.
There you go. It's okay, Noodle.
Running away.
Who's this?
Come on.
Who's this? Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
He's
Be
okay
nice,
about
please.
that.
Be nice, please. Be nice,
That one.
please.
Squeaky.
Oh, he likes that belly rub.
He likes a belly rub.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at his back paws.
It's like
He's
stretching.
crawling, yeah.
It's okay.
You stroke him nicely. Oh, he thinks you've got a treat. Give him a treat. Take one.
Here you go, mate.
Come to you, don't drop it.
Oh.
Ah, took it. Hold it. Hold it. Right, don't drop it. Let him take it out your hand.
It's okay, Noodle.
Go closer. There you go.
Have you
Yay!
got little teeth?
They're so sharp.
Yeah, like,
Oh dear.
Be nice, please.
It's okay, Noodle. It's okay.
who is it, Bagger?
It's okay.
Who is it?
Nice.
Be
Okay.
nice.
Don't bite, Noodle.
That's how they play in it. They've got to learn the puppies. They nibble other dogs, so they.
Oh.
Oh, there you
No.
That's him up now. Oh, he said you got smelly feet, Cade.
No.
Puppies always love Cade, don't they? Oh, he took that bad, didn't he?
Yeah.
All puppies love you, don't they, Cade? Who's your favourite?
No.
It's Lola. Because Lola spends the most time with him, don't she?
She's wild for you when you get home from school. She jumps up and
Oh, I
She
can't.
misses
gives you
you.
a kiss.
It's okay, Noodle.
And yesterday she
You get a
sat on your
treat from
beanbag, didn't she?
No.
Oh, you're barking
He don't want
here.
to share his water, he thinks you're stealing it. You could have won, Kate.
Say kisses.